This is the story of how Vezo changed my life. 5:02 a.m. I wake up to get ready for work. Tailored shirt, timeless, classic. Coffee. A gift from my lover. Vezo 360 Smart Dashcam. Beautiful design, intelligent features, a refined innovation for car security. 6:13 a.m. I head out to install my Vezo 360. The specially designed mount supports all types of cars, and the strong magnetic attachment makes it effortless to install. My new life with Vezo begins now. Oh no. It was clearly this idiot's fault, and I can prove it. Vezo's 360 camera system captures all around my car without any blind spots. Using the dedicated app, I can wirelessly transfer videos to my phone, and the 4K HD video shows everything in crystal clear detail. It's an open and shut case. 1:26 p.m. I believe in working hard in order to... Someone just hit my parked car, and she just drove away. A classic hit and run. But Vezo automatically detects accidents even when my car is off, and the low-power sensors do not drain the car's battery. With its 4G capability, I'm notified immediately by receiving a video clip to my phone. I've got all the proof I need for an insurance claim. 6:21 p.m. It's been a long day and I feel quite sleepy. Thankfully, Vezo's sleep detection feature uses facial recognition to alert a drowsy driver. That was close. Vezo, you saved my life. 11:16 p.m. I'm finally back home. As a crime deterrent, Vezo's bright LED light remains on at all times. This lets others know that Vezo is watching. Looks like I'm in safe hands. 9:46 a.m. I go on a road trip with my best friends. Why don't I capture this spontaneous moment? With just a single press of a button, I can take a selfie in the car as well as the outside landscape, all in one seamless 360 image or video. With the dedicated internal battery, I can even take Vezo outside to use it just like a regular 360 camera. An unforgettable memory captured in a gorgeous 360-degree image. And I can quickly share my photos and videos to social media directly from the Vezo app. My life is now fully protected, all thanks to my Vezo 360 Smart Dashcam. Thank you, Vezo.
Think faster, focus longer, and stress less. This is Niraxx, a scientific remedy to recharge your mind. Beneath the surface, Niraxx has 6 LED modules designed to shine the specific wavelengths of near-infrared light that naturally increase cellular energy in the brain's emotional and cognitive centers. More energy in the brain boosts productivity and lifts mood.
It's so comfortable and easy to use, and it puts me in a more calm, relaxed mindset.
A lot of times I reach roadblocks, and after I use it, the mental jumble's gone. I feel a lot more relaxed. I can think through the problems. It's easy to fit into my routine.
It has done wonders for my sleep. I wake up feeling more refreshed, even on the early mornings. And it's portable, so I can take it with me wherever I go.
Studies show that immediately after treatment with near-infrared light, people have better attention, better focus, and are able to plan more efficiently. Niraxx harnesses the natural power of near-infrared light and allows you to customize your experience. Whether it's an alpha wave setting for relaxation, a gamma wave setting for better performance, or a neutral setting for brain health and wellness. Inspired by nature, backed by science, and simple to use. Just 20 minutes twice a week.
I love it, and it's simple, you know?
In my bag, I have all my papers, my laptop, and then my Niraxx headband.
Recharge your mind with Niraxx.
Would you like to have a 2-in-1 mini portable camera that can be used not only as an indoor security camera for remote view, but also an outdoor action camera for carrying around? I recommend right now is very creative mini Wi-Fi camera with a waterfall case the camera which size as small as thumb. For next, I will show some interesting method at the camera. It has a very strong function first for the Wi-Fi model. You can look at any time and everywhere which you want tomorrow for any action. Don't load the Conicam from your app store. After installation you complete it. Open the VLAN, choose network name, Conicam for X to connect. Then open the app, tap icon plus on the top right corner. Find it connected device, tap LAN switch to switch internet signal, the UID of camera. Tap it to input Intel password 123456. Tap OK. If shows the camera online status, that means the camera and app connected successfully. Tap the camera online interface, then can watch camera real-time footage. In this mode, must keep phone is able switched the hotspot of camera. If you want to remote VMware the camera, watch the next steps. Wi-Fi setting. Management Wi-Fi network. To choose your own Wi-Fi. Input the Wi-Fi password and wait for the camera restart to complete, which will take about 20 seconds. The camera will change from offline to online, and it can be accepted remotely. At this time, you can leave your place where the camera as long as keep the camera connected Wi-Fi and your phone can access internet. Not matter your phone connected to your own Wi-Fi, 4G or other Wi-Fi are all be okay. Tap the real-time screen on the app. You can set the picture quality Full HD, HD, SD of camera. Tap phone button below to capture picture directly. Tap the recording button below to start recording. At the same time, you can view recorded video and photos at the app. At the same time, you can view recorded video and photos with one click on the app interface. In the absence of Wi-Fi, you only need to insert a micro SD card which size in 8 GB to 100 to 8 GB, and the camera can record for 150 minutes continuously. The mini portable camera also comes with a remote waterfall case, a strap, which makes it perfect video recording in outdoor sports such as swimming and surfing in the summer, skiing in winter. You will live all of your exhibitions memories.
We envisioned a tool that naturally stimulates activity while standing on your desk and is comfortable enough so that you can stand through your working days.
Are you tired of sitting all day? The longer you sit, the worse your posture gets. This can cause back pain, muscle tension, and lowers your energy and productivity. That's why we at Blackroll developed the Smart Move board. This board will transform the way you work and is especially designed to allow you to stand more comfortably, facilitating movement at your desk. You will benefit from many advantages, including better concentration, higher energy level, improved comfort for your spine and back, increased metabolism, reduced foot tension, and overall better health. There are 3 main modes for using the Blackroll Smart Move board. Use it for comfortable standing. The cushion soft foam helps you to relieve pressure on your joints from standing all day and reduces feelings of fatigue and tendency of depression. It immediately springs back into its original shape and will not compress over time. Activate your body by moving. The Smart Move board keeps you moving subconsciously, making you feel more energized and productive, and also helps you to burn more calories by strengthening your core and your body. Reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Use the extra tools like the ball and the mini roll for a foot massage to release tension. The structured surface, with its ridges and bumps, allows you to bend and stretch your feet on this ergonomic standing board, and also trains your body for better posture and improved well-being. Most mats for a standing desk are flat and boring. The Smart Move board comes with several special tools to massage your feet and encourage active movement. With its innovative Smart Light foam, the board is durable, light, soft, and highly elastic. The Smart Move board is made in Germany and 100% recyclable. You can use the Smart Move board with shoes, or for a more intense feeling, use the board with socks or barefoot. Choose from a variety of color combinations.
The combination of comfort, activity, and preventive exercises is a real game changer in a healthy working environment. We really hope to inspire you with this tool to move more during your working days.
Get out of the chair and up on your feet.
I'm really excited to share with you the Smart Move board because it allows you to have fun while you stretch, massage, and most importantly, activating the muscle that stabilize your feet. You can use the Smart Move board at work with your standing desk or at home. Let's build a strong foundation of your body by keeping your feet moving.
Inspired by office workers, designed for you. You'll be amazed how good you feel after an active day at work.